Here's how to copy an Instagram profile link in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Copying an Instagram profile link lets you share someone's profile through messages, apps, or browsers. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to the profile you want to copy the link from. This can be your own profile or someone else's. In the top right corner, tap the three dots to open Profile Options. Tap Copy Profile URL or Copy Profile Link. The link is now copied to your clipboard. You can also tap Share Profile, then select Copy Link from the sharing options. Go to your own profile. Tap the Share Profile button. Then tap Copy Link to copy your Instagram profile URL. Private profiles can still be shared, but only approved followers can view the content. And that's it. That's how you copy an Instagram profile link. Subscribe for more Instagram and phone tips.